$1.2010 billion silver metallic Ford Fusion, so clean you would think it was almost new. Tastefully optioned with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power driver's seat. Ford certified pre-owned with 100K powertrain warranty, roadside assistance, and low interest rate. Almost new tires. The paint has a showroom shine. Mainly highway mileage. 100% auto check guaranteed. Very clean interior. Very smooth ride. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. Competitively priced for a car in this condition. The 2010 Ford Fusion, the perfect blend of daily driver and family hauler. View all our inventory. Automatic transmission, www.bobutterford.com or www.bobutterkia. Call or email Terry Irby Internet Relations.